All right, guys, it is 10:40, Thursday, May 6th. All right, so everybody can see who has what teams. And as always, thanks to those who break with us each and every week. We definitely appreciate it, as we recognize a lot of your names. And if you're new and checking us out, thanks for checking us out, and hopefully we'll see you in future breaks. There you go. This is our first break for Tier 1. There we go. All right.
Go Mets. All right, everybody, see if we can get you some.
There you go. Sealed case. Good luck, everyone. Oh, these are stuck in there. Of course. These are wedged in there as tight as they could be.
Yep.
And not.
First timer. All right, brother. Well, thank you for joining, and hopefully we'll get you some nice Mets cards. It's a shirt, brother, over here.
Huh? Yeah.
Sure.
Alright, good luck. So we can get some first time mojo over here. Eric's House of Cards. See if we can
Grab you some.
Alright, box number 1. Already feels light, maybe. No redemption.
Just 3 cards, right? I believe.
Oh, yeah, there is a redemption. I was going to say it felt really light. Right. So right off the bat, you got Tim Hudson, 22 out of 300 for the A's. Old school right there.
Yeah.
Tim Hudson, 22 out of 300.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. We'll leave the redemption right there. You got Moncada right there, 209 out of 299 for the White Sox. So there you go, White Sox. And then the redemption, Prime Performers autograph of Elvis Andrus for the Rangers. So there you go, Rangers.
Prime timers.
Yep. Prime Performers. All right, that was box number 1. Okay, so right now, Eric's looking for the Mets. Oh, 3 autos in this box. Nice.
Nice.
So you got Colton Wong. That's 284 out of 300 for the Cardinals. So Colton Wong. And next auto is Keston Hiura for the Brewers. 99 out of 100. So there you go, Brewers.
Not bad.
99 out of 100. And for the Rays, 16 out of 25. So good low number right there. Shane McClanahan. There you go. Very nice. So 3 autos in that box. Not too bad. Start off with Matt Carpenter for the Cardinals. 122 out of 399. Nice dirty piece of uniform right there. Some of the dirt there. So there you go, Cardinals. For the Phillies, Spencer Howard, 120 out of 150. Nice picture there. Very nice.
Yep.
There you go, Spencer Howard. 120 out of 150. Just so you guys know, every single card is handed off and top loaded here to my left. You got Gio Urshela.
Nice.
It's for the Yanks. 151 out of 300. So there you go, Giovanni right there. Start off with Yordan Alvarez, Astros, 175 out of 344. For the Marlins, old school right here, Gary Sheffield, 15 out of 300. Old school right there. Gary Sheffield. And for the Royals, Nick Heath, 134 out of 300. First up, you got Brandon Lowe, 244 out of 399. So there you go, Rays. Brandon Lowe. For the Mariners, another old school player, Edgar Martinez, 144 out of 150. Back in the day when they had A-Rod and Griffey in the big unit. And for the Marlins, Monty Harrison, 297 out of 300.
Oh yeah, nice Hudson auto there.
Nice. Well, thanks for first time joining us. Glad we were able to get you something so far. See, yeah, the A's in the Rockies. All right, so you got that Hudson. See if they can snag some Rockies yet. Typically, you can get a good old lot of A's pop up a lot.
Maybe
Canseco, Henderson, or McGuire or something.
Yep. Definitely Canseco.
You got Babe Ruth, 30 out of 49. So there you go, Yankees. Old Babe Ruth. Look at that. Very nice.
Is that Sandback, or is that from the actual
game used memorabilia?
Oh, nice. That's cool.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, very nice. Babe Ruth. Relic card. Yeah.
Very nice.
You got for the Cardinals, Scott Rowland. And that one's 144 out of 300. Scott Rowland. He's old school too. Didn't he start his career with the Phillies?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, I believe so.
Canseco, McGuire. Okay.
That's what we can do for you. Yeah, that was sick. That Babe Ruth. That was nasty. And here you go, Eric. For the Mets, Franklin Colomb. If I said that last name right. 60 out of 300. So there you go, Mets on the board. Yeah, that Babe Ruth was nasty. Heck yeah. that was a nice one there for the Mets. So we got Mets and A's so far. So now we're looking for the Rockies. Here for the Twins, you got Miguel Sanu, 253 out of 399. Nice looking card here for the Royals. Whit Merrifield, 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
It's a good low number there for the Royals.
Always like those silver and goldings.
Mm-hmm. 10 out of 10. It's a nice one there for the Royals. Good low number. And here you go, Oakland. It's not an auto, but it's Ricky Henderson, 14 out of 25. There you go. Get yourself a Legends card there. So there you go, Ben. Ricky Henderson, 14 out of 25. Stolen base king right there.
Ain't nobody breaking that ever.
No, not in this day and age.
Nope.
The legend himself. There you go. Congrats.
It's 2 records that have been broken. His and Cal Ripken's.
Mhm.
Well, you can never say never, but in our lifetime, most of them.
The way players are these days,
Yeah,
and how
you can
easily
play
they
every
can
game.
Yeah. That's the good thing about these types of products is you get a lot of the old school players that pop up.
Oh, and also the wins record for pitchers, isn't that like 5?
Another 3 autos, so we'll just go with the card off the top. And there you go. Oakland A's, Mark Mulder.
Damn.
11 out of 25.
Now you got Tim Hudson and Mulder.
Uh-huh. Another old school right there.
All
Nice
you need is, what the hell is that other guy's name?
nice patch here on the left side.
The rotation.
Mark Mulder. And then 11 out of 25. That one's a sticker auto, though.
Yeah.
Very nice. So, Oakland, you're having yourselves a good little break. Little first-time mojo for you. Yep, Mulder and Hudson. You got a Marte here for the Diamondbacks, 286 out of 300. So they're on the board.
Barry Zito, that's who I was thinking of. I
Yeah.
knew there was another guy in that rotation.
Yep. Yep, Zito. Forgot all
In the
about
early
him.
2000s, they had that sick rotation.
Mm-hmm.
Just no offense.
And for the Brewers, Devin Williams, 105 out of 300. 105 out of 300. All right. Send me more mojo. See what we can do for your brother yet. There's still 4 boxes to go through. There's still plenty of chances to get some more Mets, A's, or even some Rockies to show up. And for everybody else. The Yankees tend to hit pretty good in these products. Yankees and A's do really well in these types.
And Cardinals.
Cardinals to
They're another one.
All right, there it was.
It's like Zito.
No. But Severino for the Yanks, 280 out of 399. So the Yanks, like we were just talking about the Yankees and the A's. Oh, there's Yankees. Here's the A's. Another Tim Hudson, 205 out of 300. So teams like that, they tend to hit very well in these products.
Mm-hmm.
So there you go, A's. There you go, Ben. You sure did see the green and gold. And another one for the Diamondbacks. Dalton Varsho, 26 out of 300. Doesn't look very happy there in that picture.
Nope. Not at all.
Indeed, 2 of those, brother. Oh, the glove was stuck.
What's that?
I said the glove got stuck in the...
Oh, and the thing that...
Mm-hmm. And for the Mets, there you go, Eric. Brandon Nemo, 219 out of 399. It's a patch there, but very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Brandon Nemo, 219 out of 399. So there you go, Mets. Nice looking card. A's are hot, indeed. And here you go. The Yankees are continuing to heat up as they get their own Gary Sheffield. 201 out of 300. So 2 Sheffield autos for 2 different teams in this break.
So,
201 out of 300. So there's Sheffield now for the Yankees. And for the Padres, Jake Cronenworth. 45 out of 300. Indeed, it is nice. There we go. Still 2 boxes to go through yet. Maybe we'll luck out and get another box that has 3 autos. I've already had 2.
Red Sox usually.
Yeah, the Red Sox have.
They have a card yet.
Yeah, they usually have a history too on this kind of stuff. For the Mariners, Kyle Seager, 207 out of 399. So Kyle Seager, 207 out of 399. Be nice to see a Griffey pop up. Here we got a Sterling Marte for the Marlins, 52 out of 300. So Sterling Marte. And here we go. We were just talking about the Red Sox.
Yep.
They're finally on the board here. Alex Verdugo, 284 out of 300. That's another team with a history.
Oh, yeah.
So Alex Verdugo, 284 out of 300.
Typically, your teams that have been around forever.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, right on eBay, brother.
All right, final box. Good luck if you have not hit. Hopefully we can snag you something here. And if you have hit, well, then hopefully we can get you something else as well. And here you go, Rockies. Here you go. Trevor Story, 130 out of 399. So the Rockies finally pop up here in the last box. So 130 out of 399. So there you go. You got something from both your teams, especially the A's. There you go, brother. For the Twins, Max Kepler, 122 out of 300. So there's old Max for the Twins. And this is it. The Tigers, they're another one. Bo Burrows, 243 out of 300. So there you go. The Tigers get the last card. So congrats to the Tigers. All right, we want to thank everybody who got into this break. We definitely appreciate it. It was a good break here. Very nice looking cards as always from Tier 1. So now we got Crown Royal basketball coming up here next. But for you first timers, thanks for jumping in, Eric, Ben. Definitely appreciate it. Thank you. Glad you guys got some stuff. The A's were definitely hot in that break.
Oh, yeah.
And that Babe Ruth was sick. But definitely thank you guys. And Todd, yeah, if you want to check us out, right there on eBay. Yeah, that was surprising not seeing the Dodgers.